Library of University Tun Hussein Malaysia will begin operating in 1993 when UTHM is known as PLSP, Program Latihan Staff Polytechnic. By May 2010, it has been moved to a new building as we see behind me. It has 13,000 square meter area. It can consist of 300,000 volume of book and 3,000 users at a time.
According to the rules and regulation, what we have made research about legislation of air conditioning unit. They are divided into three parts of regulation in air conditioning unit. For the first one, installation of air conditioning unit. From 1 October 1999, any owner of a premise who want to install the air conditioning unit must engage with trained installer. This is because we want to ensure that the conditioning unit that we install is being according to the procedure. For the second one is about the maintenance of air conditioning units. Maintenance of air conditioning is involved in about the rules and regulation. 1, 2, we need to regularly check up. We check up once every 6 months. This is one to ensure that operation about the air conditioning in any premise according to library UTHM is being functioned very properly and very well. For the third one is about the mechanical design ventilation system. There are big size of a library and which have a good ventilation system. Ventilation system plays a major part in meeting environmental requirement of the facility, as well providing emergency venting during a major process impact. This is very important and play a major role about in consideration about the mechanical design consideration.
Air conditioning can be defined as a process of altering properties in the temperature and humidity in occupant's favorable condition. So there are 4 types of air conditioning. First are commonly used and most cheapest one. There are window air conditioning system. The second one is a split air conditioning system, which consists of 2 split units. There are indoor units and outdoor units. And the third one, centralized air conditioning system. These are commonly used in larger buildings such as hotels, airports, and shopping malls. The 2 types air conditioning system in UTHM library. First are the split air conditioning system, which consists from the first floor until the 4th floor. And the second one is a centralized air conditioning system, which is in the office building, in 24 hours room and the 5th floor. In 24 hours room, office hour use a centralized air conditioning system, while after office hours about 10 PM, they use a split air conditioning system. Thank you.
Important part in air conditioning system is chiller. This is the chiller room of library UTHM. 90% of the aircon system in library UTHM is depends on the chiller. In this room, there are 5 chillers. 3 of it are the large capacity and 2 is small capacity. The large capacity can handle up to 4 compressor and the other 2 is only 2 compressor. Every chiller is connected to the water pump to flow the water from the chiller to the cooling tower. The chiller can be controlled by auto system or manual. by the technician. It is all depends on the performance of the chillers. The cooling tower is next to the chiller room. The function of cooling tower is to help the compressor in the chiller to get rid heat from the water to the surrounding air and then cool the water from the evaporation process. The white bubbles, as you can see, is the chemical added to help the process in the cooling tower. Inside the cooling tower, there are float wall valve in the water tank where it controls the water level in the tank. When the water level is below the ball valve, the backup tank will provide additional water. This is the summary where Aircond in library works, where chiller flow the hot water with temperature around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius to the cooling tower. The cooling tower then process the water and drop its temperature to 25 to 30 degrees Celsius and return it back to the chiller. Chiller then flow the very cold water to the ASU. ASU will process the cool water and hot air to produce cool air and distribute it into the buildings. The cool water will getting hot after the process and it is returned back to the chiller with the help of water pump. The maximum cool temperature in the ASU coil will be 7 degrees Celsius. And this process will conduct around 12 to 16 hours per day.
Okay, this is a ASU room. ASU refers to air handling unit. So the purpose of this room is combine the air from outside with the water from chiller room, and the ratio is one from outside, air from outside, and 5 from the chiller room.
The air handling unit is an integrated piece of equipment consists of fans, heating and cooling coils, air control dampers, filters and silencers. This is motorized valve. Its function to control the amount of air from the chiller room to the ASU room. In the main switch, there is temperature controller where the temperature set is fixed for the part of buildings. For example, the controller was set as 25 Celsius in the ASU. The room temperature also will be in 25 Celsius.
This is diffuser. Diffuser is function is air from ASU room as distributed to the building. So this is grills. Grills is when hot air in this room we will return to the ASU room.
As conclusion, the air conditioning system in library is a very good condition, but we need feedback from the users of the library. So if anything happen, we can directly service and overcome any problem that can happen in the future. So where you can give the feedback